Johnson City Honda, Johnson City.
Make a great choice today with the 2026 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.